Guys, let's take a quick look here at Pancakeswap. I just want to make an update from the video I made yesterday about it. If we zoom in here, you can see that it did get a rejection around $2.10. It came maybe within a penny or so, but it's close enough for me. Like I said, guys, these lines aren't 100%, perfect, but yeah, let's see if we can push back up to $2.10. Now, $2 is a psychological, resistance, so that's probably why we're seeing kind of a pullback here. There's probably just not enough buyers. They're waiting for it to dip down under $2. Maybe they're waiting for $1.90 or $1.80, 85. That's up to whoever wants to buy Pancakeswap. I have enough of it. I love Pancakeswap. It's one of my bigger bags, I would say. And if we take a look at this in the 4-hour time frame, you can see it had a big run up, dipped, then had another big run up, dipped a little bit. These dips are probably going to get a little bit smaller, but we'll see. I think we're going to see something like this. It's going to round out and hit this 210, within the next day or so. We'll see about the weekend, though. Usually weekends aren't so exciting. But anyways, let's take a quick look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is sandwiched between 60.2 and 61.3, and we need to break through 61.3. However, we haven't come down to retest this today, the 60.2 mark, which is kind of a good sign. I don't want to retest this, too many times, or we will fall through. But we do have support sitting at about $59,500 at the moment. If we were to dip down with this trend line. And then after that, basically the top of this Fibonacci and then this long-term trend line. Anyways, guys, taking a quick look at the economic calendar, basically in about an hour, you're going to have Bostic speaking. We do have Jackson Hole Symposium today. I guess he's speaking there. I'm not sure. Fed Chair Powell will also speak there a little bit later today. We do have building permits and new home sales today as well. I don't think that's going to move the Bitcoin market, though. Tomorrow there's Jackson Hole Symposium continuing, and we do have the ECB's Lane speaking tomorrow. But all these speakers, I think, are just going to give general ideas and basically a general speech. So I'm not getting my hopes up that we're going to see much volatility today and tomorrow, but we'll see, guys. Maybe, he will reveal his cards, sooner than, the next meeting, but I don't think so. Anyways, guys, basically about the interest rate cuts, looking at January, still the majority believes we're going to be at 4 to 4.25. I'm in the camp, if we're anything on this page, it would probably be 4.25 to 4.5 if they even cut rates in January. Now, September is pretty much almost set in stone. If I click on this again, about 3/4 believe in a 1/4 point cut. 1/4 believe basically in a 1/2 point cut. November and December, I'm thinking that we're going to get another 1/4 point cut both months. But again, to be January, sitting at about 4.25, I just don't see that. Anyways, guys, basically, let's see if Pancakeswap can get through this $2 resistance, the psychological resistance for people, that are buying this. But next real resistance is up here at about $2.10. Then you got $2.18. So it's going to be kind of an area that might be a little bit difficult to get through because it's so close to one another, these two lines. And then you have $2.38 and $2.52 and then $2.55 on a weekly time frame. So this is going to be a little bit stronger resistance. Basically, these 4 resistances leading up to this weekly resistance isn't so strong like this one. So to get really bullish on Pancakeswap, I think I did say that it was maybe, if I zoom out here, I want to see over like $3 really to get bullish, maybe 305 really to get bullish. So let's see if we can get there. We basically got to do another dollar from where we're at right now, which, it's very possible. We have moved in the last few days about 40 cents or so. So yeah, everything's possible in crypto, guys. Anyways, if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.